Hi guys, so I just want to quickly show you how to show your work using the ScratchPad on Edulastic. So if you guys go up here to the toolbar and you guys see the pad that has a little scribble on it, that is your ScratchPad. So if you click on that, it is going to bring up this little text box with what you guys should do. So if you want to draw, you are allowed to freehand. So if I was solving this problem, I can show -4 and -4 on both sides. But obviously, as you can see, this is getting kind of difficult because I already crossed out the 10. So you could do it that way, or there is this square root of x symbol, and that is our mathematics symbol. So let me erase what I just did. Oh no, what am I doing? Back. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to hit this math symbol, and I am going to use Math Editor to add an expression or equation to the canvas. So if I want to add something, notice how this toolbar comes up. So to solve this, I would have to subtract 4 on both sides to get x by itself. So just like we did in Canvas, I could hit subtract 4 equals subtract 4 and watch how it comes up. Now I do need to move it to have it align with my equation, but it's pretty nice how it does that for me. So now my result, I can press that square root of x again and click on the screen. So if I subtract 4 on both sides, I get 2x equals, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. And then again, I would just have to align that up with what I already had. There we go. It's good enough. Okay. So then I still have one more step. I have to divide by my 2 on both sides to get x by itself. So if you notice, I do have my little fraction bar that I can use to show my division. The only thing is, this, I don't know if it will work if you just hit divide by 2 equals divide by 2. So let's see. Oh, it actually does. So yeah, so I can just show you my fraction by showing my division step by dividing by 2 on both sides, and then I can get my result of x equals 3. So as you can see, it's still doing the same exact process as what we were doing before, and you're showing me subtracting 4 on both sides, you're showing me the result, you're showing me dividing by 2 on both sides, and then you're showing me that x equals 3. Okay, so then when you're done with the ScratchPad, you can just click that ScratchPad symbol again and then tell me that your answer was 3. Okay, or x equals 3. Oh, they won't let you do x, so you just have to do 3. Okay. So, and then if I wanted to make sure I did it correctly, I can click on that ScratchPad again, and then my work shows again. Okay? So let's try another one. So 3x minus 6 equals 9. Pull up my ScratchPad to show my work. I would recommend using the math equation because it is a lot easier. So you'll click on that square root of x, and then you'll click on the screen, and then you can start showing me your work. So in this case, our first step, to get x by itself, we would need to add 6 to both sides. So I can type plus 6 equals plus 6. And then I can move it. And then my result from that, so I'll just make another equation. I would be left with 3x equals 9 plus 6 is 15. And then I do still have one more step to get x by itself, and that is dividing by 3 on both sides. So once again, click that math equation, click on where I want it. So then I can click on that fraction bar and then just make sure that my divide by 3 is on the bottom of that fraction bar to show that I'm dividing by 3 on both sides. Okay? And then my answer, click on that again, I get x equals, and then 15 divided by 3 is 5. And then when I'm done, click on that ScratchPad, and then I can click on my answer of 5. Okay? So that's how you use the ScratchPad in Edulastic. Again, you could technically write out everything, so you could tell me the +6 equals +6, but this just gets really difficult and hard to read and understand, and you guys won't be able to do this on iLearn. You guys would actually have to type it out like this, so I would much rather you guys use that math equations button than trying to write it out. Okay, so just let me know if you guys have any questions about that.